West Valley Division patrol officers noticed a 2019 Lamborghini Huracan, which was stopped at a red light. Inside was a driver who was identified as 51-year-old Elliot Dugan. One of the officers returned to his patrol vehicle, conducted a warrant check and a vehicle check on the Lamborghini. After running Dugan, it came back that he had multiple felony warrants and that Lamborghini had been reported stolen. Here's what happened next. We can see the Lamborghini speeding ahead, being followed by the officers. After a while, the Lamborghini stops in the middle of the road. Would Dugan come out and confront the officers? Let's see. Seems like he didn't. Let's watch how the officer will handle him. Let's listen to their questioning session.
How's it going, sir?
How's it going, man?
Good.
Do you have a driver's license on you? And your registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle in park? Yeah? Do you know why I pulled you over? Huh? The one you were asleep at the light. I was right next to you. I put my spotlight on you, man. You were asleep at the light. You're visiting out here? Okay, cool. And do you have registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle yours, sir? It's a what? A rental? Oh, okay. Alright. Where are you headed to? Where's home? Where's home?
Right here.
Now that went smooth for now. I wonder how Dugan will try to avoid the officer later on.
We're just gonna... Hey, Hey, sir. Can you do a favor? Can you step out of the car for me? What's going on? I just need to verify your license, man. That's it.
I just gave you my license.
Huh? I need to verify it. I need you to step out of the car for me, okay? I understand that.
The officer ordered Dugan to step out of his vehicle, but he seems hesitant.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. You gave me a different thing. What is that one? That's your license? Can I see that one? Okay, let me see that one.
Dugan seems like he is talking in circles. He said it's his other license, but now he says he didn't have it?
Sir, I need you to step out of the car right now.
What did I do, sir?
I'll explain in a second. I need you to step out of the car for me.
Hey, you're back here, supervisor. You want us to run away? You're responding. Respond with time only.
You're being detained.
Okay?
Okay.
We have the right to pull anyone out of the vehicle because I understand that.
What did I do, though? So, you didn't tell me. That's in the law.
Sir.
You have to tell me why. Leave my license.
You're responding to your
Sir.
want us to run away. You ignore the Lamborghini with
I will tell you once you're out of the vehicle. I need you out of the vehicle.
I don't have to be out of the vehicle. You have to tell me first, so that's real law. I know. It's real law.
Okay. I understand that, and I know the law as well. I need you out of the vehicle first, please.
No, I'll have to stay out the vehicle first.
You're on time. Respond.
First.
Sir.
And I'll tell you, Roger.
I understand that, and I do too.
So
I need you.
Dugan is still resisting from stepping out of his car.
I know the law. I read my license.
I understand that. I need you to come out of the vehicle right now.
So you tell me I know the law.
Okay, I know the law is law. Look, we're going to go back and forth this. I have a bunch of units responding.
This is a regular traffic stop, right?
However, the officer won't stop at nothing to get Dugan to step out.
Stolen. I need you to come out of the car. This vehicle that you're driving is stolen.
I rented this vehicle, so.
Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I rented this vehicle.
Okay, well, we need to double check and verify things, but I need you out of the vehicle in the meantime. It is stolen. Hey, stop!
After being confronted, Dugan drove away as fast as he could.
Units responding to Yolanda, Truman Way, 1083, requesting the unit early 100, 1 west of Yolanda with the bike strips.
We can see from this surveillance camera how fast Dugan is speeding.
1047 pursuit, stolen vehicle. It's going Venus crash, UTC. Vehicle STC on Sherman Way and Van Alden.
Frequency is standby, 1047 is in pursuit, 1077.
He's got me inside this mess.
Now what a crash. Is Dugan still alive? Let's see what happened to him.
1047. Let me have the frequency. Vehicle is TC'd. Major TC damage. Let me get an RA starting to roll. I need traffic shut down for westbound traffic on Sherman Way.
That was intense. Look how the vehicle is basically disintegrated. Did Dugan actually make it out alive?
Oh, wait. No, I can't tell, but this is the other half of the car.
Debris is scattered around the two main roads for hundreds of yards. The car crash was definitely a big one.
Hey, did you guys see anyone run? Did you see anyone run?
I didn't see nobody run. It's because we were just inside.
Alright, cool.
Hey, we heard everything.
Just hang out on the sidewalk for me.
As of now, the officers are still observing the debris around the scene because this seems pretty bad.
I don't.
1083, 1083, verify suspect in custody.
83 negative, he wasn't inside the vehicle.
Hey, I need you folks stay over there. Stay over there. No.
Stay over there, please. 83 Roger, we don't have the suspect location or direction of travel yet.
A few moments later, officers spot Dugan laying lifeless in the middle of the sidewalk a few hundred yards from his vehicle.
Hey, did I find him?
And,
Seems like he didn't make it. We had to blur Dugan because it was too graphic. May he rest in peace.